Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is September the 19th, 2020. And guess what? We're going to talk about Apple stock and why this analyst is telling us that this market is a sell right now. If this is your first time watching our video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as well, hit that bell notification because you do not want to miss out on our forecast and prediction that we're following in the stock market. Because if you haven't realized, it's relatively easy to understand where the market is likely to go. Be wary and careful of those individuals who are trying to shower you with their expensive opportunities to teach you the market, with them utilizing pointless indicators, and with them just trying to FOMO you into the market when it's not the case. Because the guy that you see on the bottom left side of my screen, that's the trap. And this is the market. He's in the game, just like you and I are, to take profits. So he has one leg up against us. He knows the market. For us, we just follow what he's doing. And we participate right along with him because he's dictating the momentum of the markets. So join us. Now we're going to talk about Apple stock on this particular video. Last time we did our video on Apple stock was all the way back on June the 5th. It is in our Apple playlist. You guys can go back and check out all our videos that we produce on this particular platform. We do have playlists for every product that we cover, and Apple is not the exception. Now the question that we need to answer today on this video is if in fact Apple is a sell. At any given time, the market is a sell. At any given time, the market is a buy. It all depends on your entry and your exit. It's just like walking into any retail establishment. Depending on when you walk into a retail store will determine whether or not you get to see a product on sale or the product will not be on sale. Same thing in the stock market. The market goes on sale, and then there's times where the market is not on sale. Currently, when you see Apple stock on this price chart, this is the store right here. The market has done something. Did we break the trend in Apple stock of going higher in price? When you look at my price chart, yes, it's done that. That trend into the market in Apple may actually now be broken. Now you might see some people right here that extend down this ascending line in Apple stock, right? And then they might even go as far as saying that this is where the trend is. Well, even if we do this here, based off the previous price history in the market in Apple, the market is still weak. So I'm going to hold this ascending line right here into the market in Apple. That's it. So now we have a price point that we can focus on to see what the trap does around this vicinity. And it's around $105 that we need to keep a keen eye open to see what the trap is going to do. Now, looking at the market on a weekly perspective, are we seeing any strength in Apple right now? And the answer is no. There's no strength in the market in Apple. Don't let no one else tell you that otherwise, because the trap, he's telling you, and he's telling me too, that Apple is not strong. So is Apple on sale? It looked like it's on sale from a weekly time frame. When you look at Apple on a monthly time frame, that's even worse. Long term, the market in Apple looks extremely weak. I know that Apple had a 5-to-1 split, I believe, and everyone tried to jump into the market in Apple. Well, look what happened since that time. The market continues to reflect weakness. I'm not here to convince you. I'm just here to tell you whether or not the market is on sale or not. And looking at the monthly time frame and the weekly time frame, Apple is on sale. The market looks to continue to give us weakness. So where do you see the market in Apple going before the trap will come in and hold support. Now we're looking here on a weekly time frame. Okay, already there's a small percentage chance that the market can hold $105. I would say around 10 to 15% chance that the market in Apple can hold $105. But then immediately the next area is going to be at a clean even $100. That's the next area that the market in Apple can really come in and hold in the space. Now, if the overall economy continues to see massive amount of weakness, and we see jobless claims increase and unemployment rates increase, and the economy doesn't issue out any more stimulus to prop up the economy, next area is going to be around 93. That's extreme, but I just want to put that on your radar. Okay, so the market in Apple, we have established that the trap is still looking weak. So we're going to go ahead and play that on our forecast. So we're going to play the weakness into the market in Apple. Okay. Now the first area of restriction is going to be at 112. Right there. Okay. But I'm going to extend it up just a tad higher just to compensate for some excitement that might come through in Apple. Because you all know that they had their inventory or their product day, or where they're going to come out with a new product, the AirPad, and the market did not even react to it. That even confirms that the trend into Apple is still one of weakness. Now, TP for us is going to be around $100, in or around that vicinity. I'm not going to tell you it's going to be a clean even 100, but that's where we're looking for the market in Apple to try to come to. Now, long term, I'm going to extend it down to around 96. But this is it. The market in Apple is looking to break this uptrend in place. From the monthly, weekly, and even on the daily time frame, we're not seeing any strength at all into the market. So we're going to play the continuing weakness in this space. Now, this is our forecast. This is our expectations as to what we want the trap to do. Now, what is your expectation, your forecast? Let us know with a comment. Is the market in Apple weak? Is it on sell? And if so, where do you see the market trap coming in to hold support? For us, our TP price is going to be initially around $100. But again, we're going to bring it back down to around 96 as well. Your turn. What do you see? Let us know. They comment in the comment section. That's all I have for today. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and we'll talk again on our next video.